Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. It is that time of the year again. GoPro launched its new camera and everybody is now wanting to see the comparisons between the old and the new models. I will also be releasing my videos putting them side by side, but because this year GoPro played the game in a new way, I want to start by giving you my initial thoughts. In terms of hardware, the only differences between the Hero 6 and the Hero 7 are 1 GB of extra RAM and a new membrane on the microphones, to improve the sound quality. At least that is what I could take from the information available. All the other features introduced are achieved on a software level. The hyper-smooth stabilization and the time warp probably need the extra RAM to operate, but how many of the other features would be possible with just a software upgrade for the Hero 6? Talking a little about history, the last time GoPro changed so few things on the hardware side on its new camera was in 2013 with the launch of the Hero 3 Plus. There was a big difference there though. GoPro significantly shrunk the camera and the waterproof housing. Was this not a little too few homework done in one entire year? I mean, in a time when GoPro needs to cut down costs, it would not be expectable to see them releasing a new owned chip every year, and going above 4K 60 frames per second was also not expectable. But some competition has stabilization solutions that work better there where electronic stabilization comes to its limits. Why don't we see any movement from GoPro towards hardware stabilization as it is becoming common to see on smartphones? And does the denomination Hero 7 make sense? In 2013 the revolution was bigger and they went for Hero 3 Plus. At least this year GoPro did not raise the price of the new camera and stayed on the $399 that it was charging for the Hero 6 as it was still on sale. Coming from a Hero 5 or below, I see the upgrade as attractive, but from a Hero 6 I am not that sure. And how will owners of a Hero 6 feel knowing they have a camera that could have some of the little cool new features, because the hardware supports it, but probably will never get them as this would slow down the sales of the new camera. I like GoPro products. I have owned a lot of them in the last years. The Hero 3, 3 Plus, 4 Silver, 4 Session, Hero 5 and Hero 6 to be more precise. When I see GoPro financial results, coming from 2 years in a row with losses, the new product iteration that they released causes me concerns. Will this new Hero 7 be enough to guarantee GoPro a strong last quarter in 2018? Honestly, I don't 100% believe that. In a moment when they can use some sales momentum, I am afraid that the innovation and the new arguments were too few this year. I have seen other companies, take Rilo as an example, introduce features as the motion blur, something similar to the time warp or even photo timer in a simple software update, and I think that is what makes sense for something like that. You don't see smartphone brands changing their model names when they have a new Android version ready for them, even if that sometimes means that they now have cool new features available. What do you think about GoPro's new camera? Do you share my thoughts or you see it in an entire other way?